What's going on, guys? And today we're looking at the 2007 e70, which is X5. Pretty old car, but we still have the same issue as every single BMW up to 2012 or 13. Has like material problems, pretty sticky, nasty thing on a door handle. So we're gonna be replacing the actual door handle, which is look like that. I ordered from the Amazon. I will get you a link in the description below. We're also gonna need two plastic pry bar tools. I actually have to upgrade them because they all beat up already. But anyway, let's get into the door handle, and it's basically really easy to do it. So we're gonna be replacing only the inner piece, which is the inner piece there, and we'll have leather piece above. Try to stick it as good as possible. Okay. Also, just going all the way from the bottom, stick our finger in there and trying to tray all the clamps here. So right after you remove the actual upper handle, just clean all this mess here. It's the best way to do it right now, as far as all this stuff is exposed. See it inside. Next step is going to be removing that T25, I believe, and T15, and again T25 at the top as well. We need exactly T20 for those screws. We need T20 for upper and lower screw, and then T15 for the smaller one. Okay, and now simply pulling it out, taking the two torque screws, and look at that, it's just super nasty. So I'm gonna clean all the dirty stuff from here, and basically we'll reassemble everything. Okay, so from that step, do the same procedure. Reinstall everything back. Definitely have to have magnetic screwdriver. Okay, pretty snug. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit on a go. Here we just simply center it and start pressing it in. All set. So, and there you have it. Brand new door handle, the inner piece. We got a little bigger gap here. We can fix that with the heat gun, but I don't really want it to ruin anything in there. So if you like the video, guys, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. The next video will be about the Angelized.